Hi, my name is Lee. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Today, I really like to share my favorite recipe. I always make the food at home for my family and friends. It's easy to cook and very delicious. So if you really like my recipe, please subscribe to my video. Thank you so much. Let's start to cook. Right now I'm making, so you boil in the water, put some little Sichuan pepper, and a cup of the ginger. The meat I cut already, so they need to use the pork skin. It's needed that flavor. Okay. This is a process. Just wash the meat. So after cooking your hong Shao Rou, it's better taste. And just cover until they boil again. So maybe 5 minutes, couple minutes, the water boil again. So look at that, the meat. So I just clean that bad material from the meat. So after you're cooking your hong Shao Rou, it's more tasty, and you don't have bad smell it, taste it. So I just wash out, take meat out. Later I cooking. For this dish I use the vegetable oil because I have to make a sugar sauce. So vegetable can give the temperature high than olive oil. I used 5 teaspoons of the sugar. And the main parts, the sugar you have to made it to like a brown. The fire, the stove fire, it's put it at medium high. You just take your time to cook up. So the sugar started like a crispy brown. But for this moment, you have to pay close attention. Just be careful. This temperature is very high. Don't burn yourself when you put your meat in. Okay, when you saw the bubbling, can you see that? Okay, it's done. So we just pour our just stir very well with that sauce you made. It smells so good because the sugar with that the meat together come out, smells very yummy. Okay, and so when the meat come out like brown completely, then you can add 1 bottle of the beer. So you can see the meat so brown. It's only I used before you saw that the sugar, and so right now you can add 1 cup of the water. Okay, then 1 bottle of the beer. Wow, that's so yummy. Okay, so cover the meat. If you like more sauce, you can, put more water. Right now, I add to the ingredient into my the soup. First of all, this is the cinnamon, whole cinnamon, and scallion, star anise, couple, and a Sichuan flower pepper. I'm sorry, Jesus. The ginger, cut a couple pieces. Bay leaves. Cumin seed. That's it. So you just cover it. Let's cook. Oh, sorry. I need have to add 3 teaspoons light soy sauce, and it's dark soy sauce, 3 teaspoons. All right, that's it. So let's cook. After, you can see they come out very delicious. Okay, well, you just cover it and put the fire medium or lower, and until the sauce almost maybe if you really cooking come out good, maybe take it 2 hours. Okay, so you can relax waiting for after 2 hours. You got them. Let's see how it's come out. Okay, it's almost 2 hours cook slowly. The meat very tender, and we can start to serve with rice. Let me show you how can I eat with rice. There you have the nice Hong Shao Rou served with rice.